Recently, Union Territory of Lakshadweep was highly in news for various reasons. Okay, so these reasons include the administrator of Lakshadweep has made three regulations or draft regulations uh, regarding the Lakshadweep Union Territory. Okay, so due to these reasons, the Lakshadweep Union Territory was recently highly in news. Okay, so these regulation or rules includes the Lakshadweep Animal Prevention Regulation 2021, the Preservation of Antisocial Activities Regulation or PASA, and Lakshadweep Panchayat Regulation 2021. So among these three, the Lakshadweep Panchayat Regulation 2021 tells about the people who are having more than two children will not be allowed to contest in Panchayat election of Union Territory of Lakshadweep. Okay, so this is about the Lakshadweep Panchayat Regulation 2021. So against this draft rule, the people of Lakshadweep and as well as the people of Kerala are showing huge protest. Okay, so these are the reason why the Lakshadweep Union Territory is recently highly in news. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss about the important facts about Lakshadweep Union Territory. Okay, so please keep watching this video till end. I think I will make you add some at least one important point about Lakshadweep Union Territory. Okay, so please keep watching this video till end. So as we know, the location of Lakshadweep, here is our Bay of Bengal and here is our Arabian Sea. So Lakshadweep Island is located in the Arabian Sea. Okay, and in Bay of Bengal, the Union Territory present is the Andaman and Nicobar Island, and here is the red circled part is Lakshadweep Union Territory. Okay, so let's get started. Lakshadweep, meaning Laksha means Laksha comes from luck, and luck means hundred thousands, and Deep means island. So Lakshadweep means 100,000 or luck islands. And location of this island union territory is in the mid of Arabian Sea, and this location is 400 kilometers from the western coast of mainland. Okay, and the Kavaratti is the capital of this union territory, and area is 32 square kilometers only, and this is the India's smallest union territory. So this is one important fact about the union territory of Lakshadweep. Okay, so this union territory is an archipelago consisting of 36 islands. So this is another important fact about Lakshadweep union territory. Okay, so among these 36 islands, the 10 islands are inhabited, 17 are uninhabited, 4 are newly formed, and 5 are submerged reef. In this video, I am not going to discuss about the reefs, and these reefs is a term of geography. Okay, so when time will come, I will discuss about these reefs and atoll and all. Okay, and these inhabited islands are Kavaratti, Agati, Amini, Kadmat, Kitlan, Kiltan, Chetlat, Bitra, and Droth, Kalpani, and Minikoi. And 9-degree channel. This is also another important fact about Lakshadweep Islands. So 9-degree channel separates the Lakshadweep and Minikoi. Okay. Next one is that the main groups of islands are Amindivi Islands, Lakadip Islands, and as well as the Minikoi Islands. Among these three, Amindivi is the northernmost islands, and southernmost island is Minikoi. All the islands are the coral origin. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, the atoll and reef, these two are the geographical term, and I will discuss about in another video. Okay, and these atolls are surrounded by the freezing reefs, and Pitti Islands is is one of the uninhabited island has a bird sanctuary. So in some general questions it may ask that which island has a bird sanctuary in Union Territory of Lakshadweep. So answer is here the Pitti Island. Okay. Next one is the administration. What is about the administration of this island Union Territory? So as we know, the Lakshadweep is one of the union territory of India, and this is also one island union territory. Okay, so being an island union territory or union territory, so it is controlled directly by central government through an administrator. Okay, and these administrators are appointed by President of India. Okay, and these administrators are commonly the an IAS officer, and the present administrator of Lakshadweep Union Territory is one political personality. Okay, and these consist of four districts, and these four districts are divided with four subdivisions. Okay, and this Lakshadweep is under the jurisdiction of Kerala High Court, and sex ratio in this island is 946 females per thousand males. Okay, a literacy rate is 92.28%, and write in comment section that which state or union territory is the has the highest literacy rate of India. Okay, in India. So this is about the administration of Lakshadweep Union Territory, and next one is the inhabited. So 93% of its population are Muslims, and mainly these Muslims are also Sunni sects. As we know, Muslims is also divided into two sects mainly, that Shia and Sunni, and Sunni is and the Lakshadweep people, Lakshadweep Muslim peoples are mainly Sunni sects, and main language is Malayalam, and main language is Malayalam, but Minicoy island people speaks the Mahal language, and this Mahal language is written in the Dibehi script, and entire indigenous people has been classified as the scheduled tribe for their socially and economically backwardness. Okay, so economy, what about the economy of these people? So main occupation in this union territory is fishing, as this union territory is an island union territory. So being an island union territory, the main occupation is fishing over this union territory. Okay, and another occupation includes and cultivation of coconut is also another economy. And apart from these two, tourism is also emerging sector of economy for this, for the people of Lakshadweep. And sometimes they supply coral for making humus, and this humus is also very much important for the agriculture purpose. So this is also adding some economy to this union territory of Lakshadweep. Okay, next one is the connectivity. So how can we reach to the this union territory? So uh, the in the Lakshadweep Union Territory is also one airport is also there. So this name of this airport is Agarthi Airdrome, and this Agarthi Airdrome is connected with mainland through Cochin International Airport. And please write in comment section that Cochin International Airport is located in which state of mainland India. Okay, and this Agarthi Airport Airdrome is a single runway airport. Length is 1.2 kilometer and width is 30 meter. Okay. Next is the weather. The average temperature varies between 17 to 30 degrees Celsius, and annual rainfall is 150 centimeter. Flora or fauna. So flora mainly, as we discussed earlier, the coconut cultivation is adding economy to the people of Lakshadweep. So coconut is also one important flora over this union territory. Banyan is also another. Almond, tamarind is also seen in this union territory. Okay, and fauna: shark, flying fish, turtle, octopus, crabs, and different types of fishes. So these are the fauna of this union territory. Okay, so what about the manufacturer, whether there are some manufacturing hub or not? So definitely in this union territory some manufacturing hub is also there. As we know, the Lakshadweep union territory is producing lots of food like seafood. So there is also food processing industry is present in this union territory. And next one is the coconut fiber production industry is also there. And As it is the island nation, so boat building is also one another emerging manufacturing hub in this union territory. Okay, so this is all about today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you like it, then please hit the like button, and if you found it beneficial, then please share with your friends and family, and write in comment section where I need to improve my skills and all, and write the answer of the questions I have asked you, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, JK Learning Corner. Thank you so much.